Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your GK sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, welcome back. We are starting with the subject GK, class 2nd, sample paper 3rd. Let's begin. First question. If you spot a bird with a red chest and a tiny beak, which bird is it most likely to be? Options are robin, eagle, sparrow and parrot. So our correct answer is robin. Option A. Second question. Often seen in parks, this bird has a bright red head and is often known for its distinctive call. So which bird is this? Answer is option B, cardinal. Next question. A bird that flies fast and is often seen in large flocks during migration is called what? Our options are sparrow, swan, pigeon and goose. So the correct answer is goose. This is the bird that flies fast and is often seen in large flocks during migration. On which festival do people celebrate the victory of good over evil by lighting lamps? So Diwali is the festival of lights, Holi is the festival of colors, Eid is festival of Muslims, Christmas is festival of Christians. So our correct answer is option A, Diwali. Question 5th. This festival celebrates the arrival of spring with colors and water. What is it called? What is it called? Holi is the correct answer because this is the festival which is celebrated on the arrival of spring and it is celebrated with colors and water. So option A is the correct answer. As we all know that Diwali is the festival of lights, Christmas is festival of Christians and Eid is festival of Muslims. Sixth question. People celebrate this festival by exchanging gifts and decorating trees. Which festival is it? This festival is Christmas. Option A is the correct answer. Seventh question. This day celebrates the freedom and independence of a country. What is it called? It is called option B, Independence Day. Okay. Question number 8. A day celebrated to honor the sacrifices made by soldiers is marked on which date in many countries? It is marked as Veterans Day, option B, in many countries, because it is a day to honor all those who have served in the military, acknowledging their sacrifices. Question number 9. What day is celebrated to honor the love between partners observed on February 14th? So this day is dedicated to expressing love and affection between the intimate partners, and this day is Valentine's Day. Option A. 10th question. An artist paints golden leaves falling from the trees. Which season is this? Now we have to see the season in which leaves fall down from the tree. And which season is that? That is autumn. Option B. 11th question. Farmers rely on heavy rains to water crops. This happens in which season? So season again, heavy rains are in which season? It is in monsoon. So option C is the correct answer because in monsoon we find heavy rains. Question 12. People wear lighter clothing to stay cool. What period is being described? So it is described the warmest season of the year and it is summer. So option B is the correct answer. In this season we wear light clothes. What is the part of our body that moves when we smile? Question number 13. Options are nose, eyes, hands, and mouth. So we have to see the part of our body that moves when we smile. So give me a quick smile and see which part of the body is moving. It is option D, mouth. Mouth moves when we smile. 14th question. Which body part helps us to stand up and move? When we stand up, which body part helps us? Legs. So option D is the correct answer. 15th question. A boy plays a game where pieces move on a checkered board. Name this indoor game. Options are Ludo, chess, snakes and ladders, and Monopoly. So the correct answer is chess. So option B is the correct answer because here in this game, pieces move on the checkered board. Question 16th. What part of the plant is used to make tea? So tea is made with the leaves of the plant. That's why option A is the correct answer. 17th. Which of these plants has roots that are eaten by people? Options are carrot, rose, tulip, and sunflower. See, these three are flowers. Rose, tulip, and sunflower are the flowers. Only carrot is the thing which has roots, which whose plant has roots and is eaten by the people. So option A is the correct one. How does the stem help the plant? How does the stem help? It helps in carrying water. That's why option A is the correct answer. Who fixes broken cars? Who fixes it? Our options are mechanic, chef, teacher, and pilot. A mechanic is the person who is the skilled trade person who uses tools to build, repair, maintain the automobiles. Isn't it? Chef is the person who cooks delicious food in the hotels. Teacher teaches the student. Pilot flies the aeroplane. So our correct option is A. Who delivers letters to our homes? Who delivers? Postman. So option B is the correct answer. 21st question. What does a nurse do? What does nurse do? She takes care of the patients, isn't it? So where is it? It is here, option B. 22nd question. In which game do players bounce a ball to score points in a hoop? So which is the game in which we bounce a ball? It is basketball. Option B is the correct answer. What do you wear to play cricket? What do we wear? We wear helmet. Option A to play the cricket because helmet is worn because worn by batsmen in cricket to protect their head from the fast moving ball. 24th. What is the primary objective in the football match? The primary objective in football match is to make goals. So option A, score goals is the correct answer. 25th question. Where do cows usually sleep? Cows usually sleep in shade. So option A is the correct answer. A small animal lives in the trees and makes a home with branches and leaves. What is it? What is it? It is squirrel. Option B. Squirrel builds a dray which are nests made from branches and leaves. Drays are built on trees high up. So squirrel is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. What do you call the home of spider? Now home of spider. First of all, let's see what is the home of burrow. Who lives in burrow? Animals live in burrow. In nest, birds live. In web, spiders live. And in hive, bee lives, honeybee. So our correct answer is web. Option C. 28th question. What is the name of the insect that makes honey? What is the name? Mosquito? No. And not at all. Butterfly? That also not correct. So B is the correct answer. Option C, which makes honey. That's why they are called honeybee also. Which insect is known for making silk threads? So silk threads are made by silkworm. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 30. What is the home of an ant called? So ant lives in ant hill. That's why option A is the correct answer. 31st question. A student observes a large natural satellite. Name Earth's satellite. So the options are Phobos, Moon, Titan, and Europa. Our correct answer is Moon, because Moon is the Earth's only permanent natural satellite. 32. The planet closest to the Sun has extreme temperatures. Identify it. Our correct answer is Mercury. Option A. It is the planet which is closest to the Sun and has extreme temperature. Question number 33. A scientist spots an object burning upon entering Earth's atmosphere. What is it? So our answer is meteor, option B, because meteor is a space rock or dust particle that burns up as it enters Earth's atmosphere and it creating a streak of light. Okay. 34th question. The hottest planet in the solar system due to its thick atmosphere is. Answer is Venus, option A. It is the hottest planet in the solar system due to its thick atmosphere. 35th question. A bright evening object is often mistaken for a star. Name this planet. Options are Venus, Mars, Saturn, and Uranus. So our correct answer is Venus. Option A is the correct one. 36th. A small bird is seen hopping along the ground, often pecking at crumbs and seeds. This bird is most likely a. This bird is sparrow. So option A is the correct answer. Next, a bird, 37th question. A bird known for its excellent camouflage among tree branches with a grayish brown plumage is most likely a. Options are eagle, pigeon, owl, and sparrow. So the correct answer is owl, option C. 38th question. Which state is known as land of the rising sun? So among these four options, Arunachal Pradesh is the state which is known as the land of rising sun because it is the easternmost state of India and experiences the earliest sunrise in the country. So option A is the correct answer. 39. Which is the largest state in India by area? So largest state in India by area is Rajasthan. So option A is the correct one. Last question, 40th. A group of students is studying about the famous Indian festival of lights. Which festival is this? So let's see. The first one is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. So this is not the light one. Diwali. Yeah, Diwali is known as Festival of Lights in India and is celebrated with lamps, candles, and fireworks. So yes, Diwali is the correct answer. Option B. Christmas. Christmas is the Christian festival and Eid is the Muslim festival. So correct answer is Diwali. Hope you find very informative this question paper. See you soon in the next paper. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.